Achieving financial freedom is a powerful goal that can transform your life. It's not just about having money. It's about having control over your finances and making choices that lead to a more secure and fulfilling future. To set your goal for financial freedom, start by defining what it means to you personally. Financial freedom is different for everyone. For some, it means retiring early, while for others, it's about having enough income to travel or pursue hobbies without financial stress. Clarify your vision of financial freedom and what it will look like in your life. This will give you a clear target to work towards and help you stay motivated. Next, assess your current financial situation. Take a detailed look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Understanding where you stand financially is crucial in setting realistic and achievable goals. Create a comprehensive budget to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut costs. This step will provide you with and help you determine how much you need to save or invest to reach your financial freedom goal. Analyzing your current financial status also allows you to prioritize your financial goals and focus on the most impactful areas first. Once you have a clear vision and understanding of your financial situation, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. For example, rather than saying, "I want to save more money," specify, "I will save $5,000 within the next year." Setting SMART goals helps you create a clear plan and stay on track. Break down your larger financial freedom goal into smaller, manageable milestones. These could include paying off a certain amount of debt, building an emergency fund, or
Var.
increasing your investment contributions.
YouTube yazması alıyor
Achieving these
devre.
milestones will build your confidence and keep you motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Create a detailed plan for achieving your financial goals. This plan should include strategies for saving, investing, and managing debt. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help you design an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and increase your potential for returns. Additionally, focus on increasing your income by exploring side hustles, advancing in your career, or investing in your skills and education. A well-rounded approach to both saving and earning will accelerate your path to financial freedom. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan as needed. Life circumstances and financial markets change, so it's important to stay flexible and adapt your strategies accordingly. Monitor your progress towards your goals and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This will keep you motivated and focused on your journey. Regularly reassessing your financial situation and goals ensures that you remain on track and make any necessary adjustments to stay aligned with your vision. A Financial Freedom Indiana summary. Setting your goal for financial freedom involves defining your vision, assessing your current situation, setting SMART goals, creating a detailed plan, and regularly reviewing your progress. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances and work towards a more secure and fulfilling financial future.